आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्यो हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
ताळगांवच्या आयडियल हायस्कुलान पर्यावरण दिसा निमतान क्लीन अँड ग्रीन मोहीम दवरिल्ली. 7 जूनाक शाळेच्या भुरग्यांनी शाळे लागसारचो वाठार नितळ केलो. भुरग्यांनी झाडां रोयली. कार्यावळीक ताळगांवची आमदार जेनिफर आशिल्ली. प्लास्टिकेचो कोयर लोकांनी खंयूय उडोवचो न्ही म्हूण भुरग्यांनी मोहिमेंतल्यान संदेश दिलो.
Most of the plastic that we use ends up in landfills, which releases toxins when it's mixed with other garbage and pollutes the groundwater. It is estimated that to the one plastic bag to break down takes about 400 years. So you can imagine when you use plastic, we use so much of plastic, what damage it does. It kills one animal every 3 months, because you must have seen animals eating plastic, especially the cows. There are many cows, buffaloes that have died due to ingestion of plastic. It is therefore my responsibility and yours to help save the environment and contribute towards the elimination of plastic. Please say no to plastic wherever you go. You'll have the power to influence your parents, your neighbors, your friends, and tell them all about the ill effects of plastic.
पणजे कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्साचे जेटी लागसार रोटरी आयलँडचे उक्तावण जाले. महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो, अविनाश भोसली आणि रोटरी क्लबाचे वांगडी आशिल्ले.
Coming and inaugurating the Rotary Island which is here. The Rotary Island is here for the last 20 years and Metal Fabric India has been doing this work. Now the mayor has told us that there are some 5 other circles which we could do. We have assured the mayor that we will definitely take initiative to do these things also, so that the Rotary Club is projected as a organization which does service to the people, and that is all that we want from the CCP mayor, and which he has agreed.
Panji, that metal fabric, Mr. Bhonsle and the Rotary Club of Panjim, the outgoing president and the incoming president, Mr. Manoj Patel, they have taken this initiative of redesigning this circle. I have just asked metal fabric owner Mr. Bhonsle that we have got around 5-6 circles like this. Why don't you do it? I am also appealing to the Rotary Club of Panjim to please donate one horse van.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
मुंबईक नवी लायफलायन मेळ्ळ्या. मेट्रो ट्रेन निमणीत सुरू जाली. मुंबयकार फाटली 11 वर्सां जाली मेट्रोची वाट पळयताले. वर्सोवा ते घाटकोपर 11 किलोमीटर अंतराक मेट्रो 12 स्टेशनां आसतली आनी तिकेट फक्त 20 ते 40 रुपया. फक्त 20 मिनटांत हे अंतर मेट्रो पार करतली. वरांची वरां लोकलांत घश्टे काडपी मुंबयकारांक आतां थाकाय मेळ्ळ्या. तांची अर्दी तिकेट वाचली आनी तिप्पट वेळ वाचलो. पळयात मुंबयची नवी लायफलायन. इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.